Good morning, students, and welcome to my class again. Let's start our class today. Students, today we will discuss some of the tips and tricks which is not only a part of your syllabus but will also help you in your day-to-day life. So students, let's get started. Trick number 1. Computer screen stops responding. Students, isn't it very frustrating while when your computer screen stops responding and you are doing a very important task there? Maybe watching a movie or playing a game or doing some very important work, isn't it? But here is a great trick for you all. So, Control plus Alt plus Delete. Yes, students, these 3 keys will help you. Come, let's see. Okay, students, now I will show you how these 3 keys, Control plus Alt plus Delete, can solve your problem. Okay, suppose you are working in an application like Microsoft Excel. Here I have opened and suddenly it stops working, nothing is responding. It happens with us, isn't it? You can see here Microsoft Excel not responding, nothing is responding, nor you can close this, nor you can open anything else. So what to do then? So at that point, whenever nothing is working, you cannot open anything nor close anything, that type you will press Control plus Alt plus Delete, these 3 words. Okay, and then in this screen you will get a screen like this, and here you will click on Task Manager. So when you will open Task Manager, here you can see what are the applications running, everything, the list are here, and no doubt whatever you are doing, whatever your problem is there in the computer, but your Task Manager will work. Okay, so here you can see whatever apps are open and what background processes are running. So suppose my Microsoft Excel is not working, not responding, sorry. So what we can do from here, apps, see these apps are open, so these are showing here. So I'll go to Microsoft Excel, right click there, and I will click here on End Task. Okay, and you can see here below here in the taskbar that my Microsoft Excel has stopped, and now my computer will work fine. Okay, so that's one thing, and now I'll show you a magic. Okay, the magic is okay, first of all you see my desktop, see how many icons are there. Okay, I'll do a magic and everything will be just vanish. Okay, so Control plus Alt plus Delete,
Screen will come, click on
and
Task
then
Manager.
what I will do,
Okay, now what we have to do, we have to close a file. Okay, and the name of that is explorer.exe. So where we will go get that, we will get in details. Okay, click on details and find explorer.exe, and there it is in E. Okay, so right click there and End Task, and process, and
Tan-tan-tan. See, everything has gone, and it's a magic. Now what to do? Nothing is opening. So this is a magic, and you can just what you can say, do this trick with your friend to make him nervous. Yes, okay, now let us bring everything to its place. Fine, now let us make this okay like previously. So if suddenly this happens, now students, I'll tell you one thing, that this sometimes happen because of virus sometimes corrupts some of the background files or services that keeps on running to load the desktop or to load everything, the operating system. So sometimes the virus forcefully close those files. The result will be this, the result is this, all the icons gone, nothing can be done. So how to bring them back? Okay, so this is the next trick. Again we will press Control plus Alt plus Delete, because this is a trick when nothing works, Task Manager works. Okay, then we have to click on Task Manager, then go to File and Run New Task, and here you will type explorer.exe. Why, students? Because explorer.exe is the file which is responsible for the for displaying all the icons and the desktop everything. So virus may forcefully close this, or we may also do like a trick, and to bring them back we have to run this again. Okay, so explorer.exe and then click on OK. Again, see, everything is there back. Okay students, so this is a amazing trick, isn't it? Okay, trick number 2. Cannot hold combination keys together, or you are having any problem in holding 2 or 3 keys together, or maybe you are very lazy today to hold them together. Anything may be the reason, what may be the reason, but anything, we have to find a way how to tackle this, isn't it? So the idea is activate sticky key feature. Now students, what is sticky key and how to activate this feature, let us see. Okay, so for this we have to open control panel. Now control panel is the system folder where you can go and change any of the settings for the Windows. Okay, so in the control panel you have to go to ease of access, then you have to go to change how your keyboard works. Okay, and then you have to click on the second group here, turn on sticky keys. Okay, click there and then click on apply and click on OK. Fine. After this, what happened? You do not have to press the combination keys together, rather you can press them one by one. Okay, so for me these tricks are very amazing and very helpful. What about you? Let me know. I hope these tricks will be very helpful for you all. Thank you.